Right, this is my mate's bandsaw. We're going to attempt a little repair on it. There's no power to it. Not quite sure what's happening, so let's get to it. Right. See what we found the fault. We're at the top of the machine. At the top here there is a sensor, and that basically those two wires run down the shaft of the machine to the main switch. And what it is a safety isolator. So as you open this door, this cam here basically pushes that switch and isolates it, so you can't open the door without the thing going. And that was an alignment issue on there, and that was the fault. So we'll put the covers back on and see if it works. Got it working. Make sure the cutout works. There we go. So the cutout now works. Give that another go. Job done.